How to fix new login detected. Please check your email on Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device and then add your email or phone number, then password. And when you press on login, there is an error, new login location detected. Please check your email. So what you need to do is go to your email and search for Discord's login detected email. Click on it and then press on verify. In my case, there is no option, so there is reset password. It's another mail, but you'll find it in this same pattern, but there will be verify email instead of reset password. So you'll need to simply click on it, and after it is verified, you will be logged in to your Discord account in here. And this is out of fix new login detected. Please check your email on Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.